What is 666? Everybody talks about it. It's the sign of the beast, the sign of the devil. In Revelation, we're going to have a whole different study on a bunch of different parts of Revelation, but one of the terrible periods that people talk a lot about in Revelation is the tribulation. And during the tribulation, people have heard of the Antichrist. The Antichrist is raised up with, and he's given a lot of power by the devil. The devil has special powers during the tribulation. And then a person that's helping him is the false prophet. And I just want to introduce the false prophet and a little bit about what that means on 666. Then I saw another beast coming out of the earth. He had two horns like a lamb, but he spoke like a dragon. So he spoke like Satan. He's pretty powerful. And here's the part about 666. He also forced everyone, small and great, rich and poor, free and slave, to receive a mark on his right hand or on his forehead, on his right hand or his forehead. And this is everyone. This is the whole world. It's not just the United States or Africa or someplace like that. This is everybody who's alive during the tribulation. It says that no one could buy or sell unless he had the mark of the beast is what it's called, which is the name of the beast or the number of his name. So what that means is, unless you had that mark on your hand or on your forehead, you couldn't go to the grocery store. You could not buy gas. You could not pay your electric bill. You could not pay your gas bill. You couldn't do anything unless you did it on the black market underneath the normal economy. Nobody would sell you anything because you didn't have the mark. And there's a lot of talk about that, but this is just a short verse saying that everybody was going to be required to follow the beast, unless you're a believer in the Lord Jesus Christ and you don't take the mark. Like, they don't make you take the mark, 666. You decide, well, it's not worth the trouble, it's okay. They let them deceive you, but when you take that mark, that's your choice. This calls for wisdom. If anyone has insight, let him calculate the number of the beast, for it is man's number. His number is 666. And that's out of Revelation chapter 13. And like I said, we'll talk a lot more about the tribulation, and we'll probably go over this verse again. But 666 is it's nothing to joke about. I mean, you need to understand when the tribulation happens, if it starts happening next week, Christ is coming back, then the people that are left alive are going to go through that tribulation. And you are going to have to make a conscious decision. Do I take that mark and make it easy on myself? Or do I say, no, I believe in the Lord Jesus Christ, and whatever comes will come, but I'm going to stick with the Lord Jesus Christ?